Welcome back to another video. Today we have a KIMO model number 13811 20 volt max cordless drill driver. This is for targeted for a DIY. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, like similar tools like this, make material review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform by subscribers and likes. Big shout out to KIMO for sending us this item to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. It's a tool bag. It's a green drill here. Seems like you got a LED lights, green, yellow, and red. Maybe that's the battery. Overall feels pretty good. You got all this black part is rubber. This green is plastic. I gotta say I really like the look of this thing. Let's see here, the trigger, pretty nice. It is a hammer drill. Let's see here. Okay, so that's drilling, and that's the clutches here, and then that's the screw, and then the hammer drill. And it is a 2-speed, I guess. 1-speed, 2-speed, 13811 cordless drill driver, 20 volts, 10 millimeter, 0 to 1300 RPM. I gotta say that the chuck is plastic. This is metal. All this is metal, and then this part's plastic. Two connector there for the battery. You get an LED light here at the bottom. Alright, next thing on the box, we got some instructions. Alright, you got the accessories here. So this is one thing I like about this. If you're a homeowner or a DIY, for somebody that does not have any tools, and then this is an attachment here for cleaning. I used similar products before. They do work really well, and they are compatible. These are compatible. If you guys see here, these are compatible with impact drivers too. It's a nice little brush. You got another brush here. This one's very useful. This one's a bigger one. You got the battery here. It says 20 volt lithium. It does have some heat sink here, some holes there for the heat, obviously, so you could breathe. It does not have a fuel gauge. Fuel gauge is in the tool, according to what I saw earlier. So it does have a nice release button there. So let's pop it in and see if it does have the fuel gauge that I was telling you guys. Alright, so the fuel gauge is right there. But it feels pretty good, actually. It doesn't feel that bad. It's a nice little unit for the... That's 1-speed, 2-speed. Alright, next thing out of the package, we do have a charger. It tells you green light flashing, charging. It tells you red light packed. I guess you have to wait, like in a delay. And then green light solid is 100% charged. A complete kit. I really like this. You have some Phillips. You do have some hex. You got some squares there. Some star bits over here. Some flats. And what is this? This is the, I guess this is the sleeve, if you want to throw it in there. Yep, this is the sleeve you guys could use. A little universal extension here, so I guess you can connect the drill on this side, and then pretty much here on this side you can connect the bit. Alright, it seems like we got some wood bits here, maybe metal. These are probably metal, these are wood. This is the belt clip. A full battery. So you guys see there, you got a battery gauge there. So we're gonna be driving a couple screws in, see how it does. Maybe speed 1, speed 2. Alright, so it's pretty tight. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so it's perfect. We'll try it on speed 2. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, it works pretty good. So let's take them off in speed 2. Alright, let's start with some basic drilling. So this is the 3/8. Alright, so we'll just do it right here beside it. So 1, 2, 3, go. So it does require speed 1. So we'll put it in speed 1. Let's finish it off. Alright, let's just do another hole here. 1, 2, 3, go. You should put it in speed 1 on drilling mode for that. Bit here, we got a 1/2 inch bit. Alright, so we'll do one hole right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, so we did it. So we got a 1-inch spade bit here. Alright, we'll just do it right here. 1, 2, 3, go. So no problem, you're able to do 1-inch holes, no problem. You do have to grab it real good, otherwise you're gonna lose your whisk, just like I almost did. So be careful with drilling this. Alright, so we have a small leg here. We're gonna be running this inside the wood, and then we have a 7/16 socket. 2, 3, go. It split the wood, so we're gonna do it again. Now we're gonna do it right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, it's all the way in. You know, if you're a DIY, you just want to do a couple of projects around the house, just keep in mind that this is pretty much light duty use. It does have some hammer feature in there, so you can maybe drill a small hole into concrete. But other than that, I think that's a great little tool for the DIY. Just, you know, obviously for lighter duty use. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.